Hello students, how are you doing? Now today's class is poetry session. Okay, I'll be teaching you the poem A Father to His Son. The topic is Father to His Son. Now in this A Father to His Son, who is the writer? He is called August Sandberg. It is called August Sandberg. You call it as C.A. Sandberg. In this, the father worldly wisdom for his son's progress and prosperity. That is the theme of the poem. A father's worldly wisdom for his son's progress and prosperity. He wants his sons to prosper in life and also to progress in his life. Any father will have the same notion means idea that his son should only prosper in life. Okay, now the poet Carl Sandburg motivates his son to be like a hard rock. So how should be the son like? He should be like a rock. That is, he should be able to face challenges of life and betrayals. He can make, okay, the first stanza. The second stanza, he says, he can make his life fruitful if he is gentle and takes life easy. See, he should be very gentle and he should take life very easy. Only then his life will be fruitful. And moreover, he says, he must have a firm willpower, which is very important for a boy in his manhood. Now, in this poem, the son has reached manhood. So he advises his son, and he says he needs deep desire to achieve. So, if you want to achieve something, you should have some desire. It should be very deep. Then he says he should, in the third stanza, he says he should earn sufficient money, which is very necessary to run a life. Okay, to run. So that money, see, it is very necessary to have money to satisfy his basic needs. Anybody needs money to satisfy the basic need, but he must also remember that too much money has killed men and left them dead before their burial. What he says, you should not run after money, so that will leave you only dead. What is the use of gaining lot of money and then dying even where you are not even able to use that money? Okay. So in the next stanza, he says, he must know that it is not a shame to be called a fool. He says, you don't bother that you are a fool. That is, if you don't know anything, you don't feel shy. At the same time, you learn things from the mistakes and avoid repeating the mistakes.